In today's tech-driven era, a widening chasm exists between the theoretical knowledge of academic education and the practical demands of contemporary engineering. This gap is exacerbated by rapid advancements in technology, rendering traditional training methods ineffective. The imperative is clear. Engineering education must evolve to bridge this gap. We arrived at this critical juncture due to three main challenges. The swift pace of technological innovation outstrips the ability of academic institutions to update their curricula. The disconnect between theoretical knowledge and practical skills, and the inadequacy of conventional training in nurturing problem solvers adept at innovation. Acknowledging these challenges marks the beginning of our journey towards a solution. Innovations in education, such as hands-on projects, mentorship programs, and continuous learning platforms, promise not only to bridge the educational gap, but also to transform it into an opportunity for fostering growth and innovation in the engineering field. Given the limitations of traditional educational methods, the transition to modern, innovative training techniques becomes crucial. Engaging engineers with hands-on projects, tailored mentorship, and versatile continuous learning platforms prepares them for future challenges while promoting a culture of constant development and adaptability. Hands-on projects immerse engineers in real challenges, promoting critical thinking and resilience. Mentorship programs offer personalized learning paths under the guidance of experienced professionals, creating an environment for meaningful knowledge exchange and growth. Continuous learning platforms, meanwhile, support lifelong education, ensuring engineers remain at the forefront of technology. These methodologies are not merely theoretical, but are applied with remarkable success. Through case studies, we will demonstrate the effectiveness of these approaches in producing engineers who are proficient and innovative, ready to meet the demands of the tech industry. Illustrating the impact of these modern methodologies, let's look at several success stories. Company A has demonstrated the profound effect of mentorship, pairing young engineers with experienced professionals, thus rapidly advancing their skills and understanding of engineering challenges. University B has integrated project-based learning into its curriculum, resulting in graduates who are immediately capable of contributing effectively to their fields. Platform C champions continuous learning, providing resources for engineers to constantly update their skills and stay relevant. These examples are blueprints for the future of engineering education, showcasing how mentorship, hands-on experience, and continuous learning converge to produce not only highly skilled engineers, but also innovative thinkers ready to push boundaries. Our exploration reveals the profound benefits of innovative training methodologies, such as enhanced productivity, fostering innovation, and enabling substantial career growth for engineers. Through stories of transformation, we've seen how embracing new training strategies prepares engineers to excel and innovate, driving technological progress and industry success. This transformative approach does not stop at meeting today's needs. It ensures engineers are adaptable, ready to tackle future challenges with resilience and creativity. As we journey forward, this narrative helps underscore the value of continuous learning and mentorship in cultivating the next generation of engineering talent. Through our journey from identifying educational challenges to advocating for revolutionary training methods, we've underscored the importance of innovation, growth, and success in reshaping engineering training. The path forward calls for a commitment to these modern methodologies, including immersive learning experiences, mentorship, and continuous advancement platforms. These strategies are not just a remedy, but a proactive step toward ensuring engineers are well equipped for a rapidly changing industry. As we conclude, consider this a beginning, a call to action for those in engineering leadership and education to champion transformative practices and shape a future where engineering talent thrives.